I'm going to give you a really easy walkthrough of how to use Expressvpn. I'm not going to make it complicated, so let's get straight in. So guys, the first thing you want to know is up at the top here, we've got the extension, all right? You want to pin that extension and make sure it's there. That's Expressvpn. To get the big window up, you're going to click Show Expressvpn, okay? And it's going to pop up here. So this is Expressvpn. Now, it's very, very user-friendly, okay? It's got a massive on button here. You simply just click that. We're connected to Sweden right now and I'm in France, okay? That's how you turn it on and that's how you turn it off. If you want to change the server, you simply click on these three dots, scroll all the way down and all the way up. So let's choose United States. And if you want to go inside of United States for a server, simply go in, let's choose Miami, okay? And then click on. Voila. Within 3 seconds, guys, it's on. That's how easy this is. Now, if you want to use it to go on a browser, simply hit the Google Chrome. If you want to use it to use Telegram, okay, anything you want, or you can add your custom link in here. Now, if you want to get the preferences open, first thing you've got is the VPN locations. Again, that will bring these up for you. You can save them by hitting this star button here, and you can search them. So if I want Japan, okay, I can go straight to Japan and star that there. The next thing that you've got on the preference menu bar, okay, is the actual preferences shortcut. So go here, it's got your general settings, so you can start it to launch Expressvpn on startup. If you click this, what it's going to do is as soon as you turn your computer on, Expressvpn is going to launch. Okay, I'm just going to turn this off. Connect to the last used location if you want to do that, and this is your kill switch with your network lock. Now you got your protocols. I would just keep it on automatic, okay? It usually knows what's best for you, but if you want, you can use all the different protocols. Be comfortable with it. Your account settings is your own account settings. I'm not going to show you my information. You got your shortcuts here. Again, you can choose whatever you want and add them, and they will pop up. Your browser is the same thing, and the threat manager, make sure that is always turned on. Then you got your advanced settings. Guys, what I want you to do, okay, 100% is go through the website of Expressvpn and make sure that you are comfortable with the settings. Okay, so guys, that's how easy this is to use. Literally how easy this is to use. What I want you to do now is stay tuned and hit that link down below. So I'm going to show you how incredible the price is for Expressvpn now if you use our discounted link. Only VPNs right down there. Let's go. So if you've hit that link down below, this is where you're going to be. I want you to hit start your trial today. Okay, and this is the deal. You're getting a special deal, 12-month deal, where you get 3 whole months for free, guys. That's incredible. You're saving 49% on this most popular package with 3 months for free at only €6.37. There is no better deal out there than hitting that link down below. You're going to get your 30 money back guarantee, guys. What are you waiting for? Hit that link down below and start using Expressvpn right this second. There you go, guys. Hopefully you know how to use it a little bit better now. Let me know in the comments if you do. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the link down below to get Expressvpn at onlyvpns.net, and let's get moving.